Good morning, guys. Today's video is going to include a website, and it's actually kids that enjoy STEM and doing things at home. The kids today are actually going to make their own satellites out of food, like Rice Krispie treats, anything that you guys have laying around the house. There's this cool website that Maggie Kushine sent to me, and I enjoyed it a lot, so that's why we're doing this project today. And I was fortunate enough to go to Mystic Aquarium, where the beluga whale is at, and that's where this website came from. They do a lot of STEM there at the aquarium, and I'll give you guys the website at the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.